Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my lecture. I am Kim Shodul Islam, a lecturer of Scholars School and College. Today I will teach you Islam and Moral Education, Class 5, Chapter 2. Some important creative short questions with answer. Student, in previous lecture of Chapter 2, I discussed with you of exercise questions, and this is the new important creative short question. This is the creative short question. You know that these are out of exercise, so this is for your practice, so that it will be easy for you to understand how to make creative short question in religion subject. Okay, so I hope you will memorize all these questions and learn properly so that you can make like this also. Okay, so let's start. Some important creative short questions with answers. Number 1, what is our duty? Answer: our duty is to carry out the orders of Allah, doing things for which Allah will be pleased, not doing deeds for which Allah will be displeased. Number 2, how will we perform ibadat? Answer: we will perform the ibadat as our great Prophet Hazrat Muhammad SAW did and instructed. Number 3, what acts will we perform? With the answer: sorry. And 4 number, what do we mean by taharat? Taharat is an Arabic word. You know that taharat means cleanliness and neatness of environment. And by this, okay, you will have to memorize. And then question number 5, what is called the salat? Answer: according to the Islamic terminology, performing the prayers with ahkam and arkan is called the salat. And then how will we perform the salat? Answer: we will perform the salat as taught by our great Prophet Hazrat, because he says, perform the salat as you see me performing it. This is the Sahih hadith. Okay, so you will have to perform salat as our Prophet performed. 7 number, what things is the key to heaven? Answer: salat is the key to heaven. Okay, because our Prophet said salat is the key to heaven. And then 8 number, what is wajib? Okay, you will have to memorize answer. And then 9 number, what is Tarawih Salat? In the month of Ramadan, Tarawih Salat we will have to perform. Okay, coming days will be these questions implemented. And then 10 number, what kind of Salat is Tarawih? Tarawih, what kind of Salat is Tarawih? Tarawih Salat is 20 rakat Sunnat Salat, which is performed after the Isha prayer of the month in the month of Ramadan. You can perform 20 rakat or 8 rakat, 12 rakat, no problem. Anyway, we will have to perform 20 rakat, then sawab will be more. And then 11 number question, where we will bind our hands in the salah? Okay, here written, you will have to memorize. And then 12 number, what is the meaning of takbir tahrima? takbir tahrima. In the salat, when we will stand, then we say takbir tahrima. Here the answer. Okay. And then 13 number. Write the tasbih of both ruku and sijda serially. You know that Subhan Rabbil Azim, Subhan Rabbil Ala serially. And then 15 number. What is called Sahu Sijda? Sahu Sijda, everybody know this in the salat when any wajib missed or dropped, then we have to do extra two sijda, that is Sahu Sijda. Here answer. 15 number. What is called Masjid? Everybody know that Masjid where we perform salat. This is the proper answer. Masjid is a place for sijda where is fixed or designated for salat or Allah's ibadat. Okay. And 16 number. Why is mosque called Baitullah? Baitullah. Why mosque is called Baitullah? Because here and there, only the ibadat of Allah and related religious activities are done in the mosque. So, mosque. That's why mosque is called Baitullah. Bait means house, Allah means Allah. Baitullah means house of Allah. Okay. And then 17 number. That the three most dignified mosques named in the world. These are the Masjidul Haram, Masjidul Nabawi, and Masjidul Aqsa at Jerusalem. Left to memorize. And then 18 number. What is taqwa? Those who have taqwa, they are called muttaqi. In Quran Majid, there are many times he mentioned muttaqi. From there, this is taqwa. Taqwa means fear of Allah. Okay. And then 19. What is the nasab of the zakat? This is the important. In the month of Ramadan, it will be implemented. So you will have to memorize properly. And then 20 number. Who will pay the zakat? Who will pay? A Muslim person who has definite portion of amount, he will pay zakat. You will have to memorize. What amount of wealth is to be paid as zakat? 1/40th. Okay, total amount of 1/40th or 2.5 taka per 100 taka. And then 22 number. Write the fixed activities for the horse. Fixed activities that ihram, tawaf, sa'i, wukuf. Sa'i means running between hills, Safa Marwa. Wukuf means moving around the Kaaba, staying at the field of Arafat. And Qurbani means sacrifice. Okay, etc. And then 23 number. Write the 5 main duties for the horse. 5 main duties. Wearing a ihram, staying at the field of Arafat, moving around the Kaaba, running between Safa Marwa, and performing Qurbani. This is. And then 24 number. For whom is the horse compulsory? The horse is a bounden duty for those adult Muslims who have the ability of making journey to perform the horse for Allah. That means going to Kaaba, going and coming expenditure, those who have. 25 number. Upon whom the Qurban is compulsory, or who can perform Qurban? Same who has nisab. Okay. And then 26 number. When the Qurbani offered? Good questions. Or schedule of the Qurbani. The schedule of Qurbani, that means 10th, 11th and 12th of Zilhas in the Arabic month. In these 3 days, you will have to perform Qurbani, otherwise will not be Qurbani. Okay. What does 27 number? What does Allah say about the Qurbani? About Qurbani, Allah says, meat and blood of animals sacrificed in the Qurbani don't reach to Allah, only taqwa reaches to Allah. This is to Allah. Okay. Surah has ayat number mentioned here. And 28 number. How many portions are made at the midst of the Qurbani? Three portion. Number 1 for poor, number 2 for relatives, and number 3 for the personal consumption. That means those who have performed Qurbani. Okay. And then 29 number. Why is Akikah performed? Akikah performed. Answer. Akikah is offered, performed for the satisfaction of Allah and desiring the safety and welfare of the newborn baby. Akikah is sunnat. Okay. 30 number. What did Hazrat what did Hazrat Prophet Muslim say in order to clean the teeth? Answer: in order to clean the teeth, Hazrat Prophet says, I would have asked my followers to have miswak at every time. Okay, students. So there are 30 creative short questions. You can make more by yourself, no problem. This is just for your practice, okay? I hope I hope you memorize this. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz. And if you have any suggestion, you can give me, okay? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.